Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix BeReal camera not opening. First of all, you want to make sure that you've enabled camera. So for that, you just want to go to settings on your device, locate app from the list. Here it is. Then go to see all apps and tap the search bar and type in BeReal. After which you want to go to permissions, make sure camera and other options are enabled. Once you've done this, now you could start opening the BeReal app onto your device and you could start taking a photo. Let's see whether you will be able to take a photo or not. This way you should be able to fix your BeReal camera not working. However, if that's not the case, you could also go to the home page and tap the profile initials and go to the gear icon at the top. Then you have these privacy settings and make sure that none of these options are toggled on. This should be able to help. If not, you could also try updating the app. Go to your respective app store and tap on the search bar and type in BeReal and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version as well. However, if the issue still persists on, try uninstalling the app. At the same time, restart your device. That should also be able to help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.